everyone, welcome back to Mom and Me Fun Factory. Today we are going to play a fun quiz in the space. I will show you some amazing space videos and you have to guess the correct flashcard. Are you ready?
Yes, Mom.
Okay, let's go. Can you guess what is this?
Comet.
Yes, this is a comet. Amazing. Now, can you guess what is this?
This is a satellite.
Perfect. Now let us see what is this one.
Star.
Amazing. Now let's go to the next one. Can you guess what is this?
Moon.
Very good. Now let's go deep into the sky. Can you guess what is this one?
Rocket.
Perfect. This is a rocket. And what are these?
Asteroids.
Amazing. And can you guess this one?
Sun.
Yes, so this is the biggest star of our solar system. Can you guess what is this one?
A galaxy.
Yes, this is a big galaxy. Isn't it beautiful? Now let's see this one.
Telescope.
Amazing. This is a big telescope. And can you guess what is this?
Rover.
Amazing. Now let's see what is this one. The person who goes to space is called an
Astronaut.
perfect. And what is this one?
Black hole.
Amazing. Can you guess what is this one?
UFO.
Yes, this is a UFO. And now who are all these?
Alien.
Yes. Are these your friends? Okay, now let's see what is this planet.
Earth.
Yes, Earth is our home. And the last flashcard is here.
This is the observatory.
Amazing. So we have done a nice trip to the space with our 3D space flashcards today. Thanks for learning with us, friends. See you tomorrow for more fun adventures.
And don't forget to like, share and subscribe so you don't miss our next video.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.